W coin. In the last video I made yesterday, I talked about no information yet concerning the TGE and listing that will be happening, that was scheduled to happen, or that was rescheduled to happen on the 25th of February. And today, 24th, new info has come to you. Hello there, and welcome back to your favorite channel. And in this video, I have got some new update for you concerning W coin listing and TGE date. Yes, W coin has just announced on the community page concerning the listing and TGE date, and the information is going to shock you. I don't want to mention it to you. I want us to go and read it together. All right, let's head on to the community page. Okay, here is it, 24th February, and the time for this was 3:18 p.m., just about an hour plus ago. And it reads, WCoin listing update. Hey mates, due to ongoing market instability, particularly price fluctuations that could impact our token listing and overall market cap, we've made the difficult decision to postpone the listing for now. Why this isn't bad news? One, the WCoin smart contract is fully prepared for deployment. Two, the airdrop mechanism is set and ready to go. Three, all partners are lined up for the TGE. Four, NFTs will be distributed within the next few days. And five, we are holding off to launch under the best possible market conditions. No need to worry, everything is on track, and we are committed to ensuring the best outcome for our community. We'll provide the exact date ASAP. We appreciate your patience and support. Stay tuned for updates. And now let me say my own thoughts and opinion on this before I ask for yours. Let's open the WCoin page. All right, the app rather. Okay, so here you see on the app, the W treasures. Okay, nothing is there. All right, now the W pre-market for the NFT vouchers. They are ready for me at getgems.io. Okay, now let me talk. Let me comment. The TGE postponement for WCoin. How valid is this excuse or reason? Let me start with TapSwap. TapSwap was supposed to initially announce they were going to list sometime, when was that? In January, right? Of course, after several postponements. And then eventually, 23rd of January, and then they later postponed it, said it was going to be February. And February 14th, they announced later on. Later on, they now said, is it 14th or 12th? And they later came about to tell us that they would shift it for a few more days. And eventually they launched. Now, the reason that TapSwap gave, the major reason they gave us then was that they got advice from a top tier DEX, that decentralized exchanger, that February is the best month for listing coins, so that I could do well. And I remembered I criticized that idea. However, it launched. I only air my opinion. And of course, how markets? Hello, guys. All of you that received TapSwap, the TAP token, how market? The TAP token has been nosediving. February is almost ending, and we've not experienced any bull run, any bullish movement for the crypto market so far. Now, WCoin also told us they will launch in January on 25th precisely. But before the date, they also announced a postponement without citing most reasons. But could you recall when I made a video on the WCoin white paper? The WCoin white paper is just a tissue paper rolled down with no single letter, no ink on it. And up till now, we've not seen the WCoin white paper. Now, I'm not saying that they don't have any roadmap, anything. Whatever they are telling us is what they are telling us. We are not reading it anywhere. There's no white paper to go and study. Or if you have seen the white paper, please let me know in the comments. Now, back to the postponement for this listing and TGE. All right, of course, they've told us here now that a lot of partners are lined up, NFTs are ready, and all of that. Of course, NFTs are ready now because we paid for them, right? Didn't we? Well, maybe not as much as, in fact, for you to get the NFT, the vouchers I received into the get gem.io marketplace, pre-marketplace, I of course we paid gas fees, right? We spent another money. Remember W Galaxy, which they say would, I think it has ended already. If I scroll up here, there was a notice about W Galaxy ending in a few days. I refused to make that video. And okay, now, okay, here is it on the 11th, ending in 7 days' time. So it ended on the 18th of February. All right. So now let me open W Galaxy section and see whether there's anything there, whether it's still reading coming soon. It's still reading coming soon. Okay. Maybe on TGE day it will show us exactly all the full benefits. But all I'm just trying to say now is that they have put our hopes in a suspense again, they are hanging our hopes on a balance again. And I want to hope that by the time they eventually decide to do the listing and TGE, that it will really be worth it. Yes, I understand for a fact that listing when the crypto market is unstable can affect your token value. Of course, that also will depend on a whole lot of other factors. There are projects that will still list and do well. Okay, I won't mention any name, but let us hope that the bull run will kick in soon. But currently, it appears that the crypto market is experiencing some turbulence, and we don't know where it's coming from. But we just have to hope that this is an opportunity to buy deep. All right, and hoping also that in March, which is just a few days away, that the bull run will commence. Let's hope so. And if that is the case, let's also hope that WCoin will list finally without making announcements, will list in the month of March and sooner in March, not second or third week, but first week of March. Okay, guys, so the way it is right now, of course, you've seen what they promised there. I don't want to add to their promise because I'm not WCoin. I'm also a community member just like you. I've also put some money in WCoin, so I have a bragging right to say my opinion. But then I just want to hope, that's all I can say now, that by the time WCoin launches, that it will be all good for us, for all of us, right? You can see my WCoin here, 385 million. I don't know how many coin token this will amount to. I don't know, sincerely, I don't know. And I have 3 NFT vouchers, and I hope those vouchers will be worth it. And I hope it won't go the way of some projects, some time ago, that I spent all the money, paid for the voucher, paid for the NFT, and eventually, with all the uh, useless roadblocks they put on the way, bottlenecks they put on the way, I lost 69,000 of that token. But anyway, what am I even saying? What I'm saying is that WCoin has postponed the listing again, and you know that a lot of you are not happy. I'm not happy either. But then they say it's not bad news after all. So we want to hope for the best. So once again, let me show you what they've posted. Again, all right. The smart contract is fully prepared for deployment. The airdrop mechanism is set and ready to go. All partners are lined up for the TGE. The partners are the exchanges. Which of these exchanges? At least they should start at least giving us hints. Even though we have seen some partnership with OKX before, Trust Wallet as a cold wallet before, and um, others. I mean, as a non-custodial wallet, I mean, rather than cold wallet, as a non-custodial wallet before. But I mean, Trust Wallet, in any case, let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best in the coming days as they make the announcement. Sincerely, I just wanted to make this video to bring to your notice that WK has postponed the TGE again. Give this video a like, share the video, and please subscribe and smash the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop the next important video for you. Thank you very much, and God bless you.